it's me, Yatte Like Latte. I'm back again with another quick and easy eye makeup solution to your holiday parties, and let's get right into it. So I'm coming back again, and I'm starting with the same base that I used in the previous video. So again, it's the Nudestix Magnetic Eye Color in Immortal, and so again, I'm following the line of my eyeball. Right, you can feel it in there. I'm gonna have to sharpen this guy. All right, so that part is done, and that's the easy part. So in the previous video, I did like just a really cool like line on top of this, and I felt like that was a fun look. We're gonna do something a little bit more traditional. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. And because we already have like a bronzy base, I'm gonna go into the eye with some glitter. I know, I love this palette so much, but because again, with how I feel about just doing like eyeshadow in general, and just how I feel there's like a lack of payoff for myself, you can see this palette's barely been like really used. Okay, so what we can do to just add some dimension and some more glitter is go in with this color here, and that color is called Mirage. So I'm gonna go in with Mirage. And I'm just gonna start here in the middle. Now again, like for my eye, you're not really gonna see this as much. You'll see it a little, but not a ton. But it's an easy way to just build in a little bit of contrast, right? Like already we're like way brighter. And again, you don't need to be the best at makeup to get this done, right? Just putting the Mirage in the middle. So we're using that Nudestix pencil pretty much as our base for our eye, right? So right away, by adding the Mirage, we've already brightened this. Like you can already see how much brighter it is, right? So you're doing that. All right, so that's step one. Step two, I'm gonna go in with like a little corner brush here. And we just want to do a little bit of zhuzhing in the tear duct. So I'm gonna take Mo Rockin' Ice, which is this one here. It's a white, glitter, and we're just gonna put that in the corner of the eye. So again, this is just to make our eyes brighter and just stand out a bit more with the holiday cheer. And again, you don't need to have a ton of makeup skills to do this, right? Like you can see we're just layering a bit. Perfect. All right, so that is option two. You can see like when you look at me, you're not going to see anything down here, right? But you can see the inner corner white, you can see the Mirage on the top, just like brightening the eye space. And last but certainly not least, if you really wanna be a bit extra, we can go in on the bottom lash and do an eyeliner. So this is the McGrath Permagel, like their eye pencil in Blitz Blue. I love this blue so much, and we can just line this lower lash. Now not too much, right? Like we don't want to look like a raccoon, so lovely. So it's not too much, just enough. I can already feel my eyes watering though. Now this is a little hard to do when you already have mascara on your lower lashes, so I highly recommend doing this beforehand. All right, and that's enough. I feel like already the face is looking brighter. We're looking more festive, and that's it with the eyes. And then we'll add a lip. All right, so for the lip, we're gonna do like a more brown nude look. So first we're gonna go in with the, this is another Makeup Forever color pencil, and it's in Universal Earth. So I'm gonna line my lips with that. I'm not much of a lip liner person, I'll be honest, especially if I have like a liquid lip. But this pandemic, I've been like, since we're not really going anywhere, I'm like, I don't mind experimenting. All right, so lip is lined. Then I'm gonna go in with this Melt Cosmetics lipstick in Old Rose. So this lipstick on its own, like this is the color of it. I normally wouldn't wear this. It's a little too pink, but with this liner, it works really well. Okay. So it does look very dramatic, you can tell. But wait, there's one more step. So I'm going in with one of my favorite lip glosses, the NYX Buttergloss in Brownie Drip. And we're just gonna pop that right on top. Ah, just beautiful. And there you have it. So we want a bit louder on the eyes for those of you who are willing to try that, and then a little quieter on the lip. You guys know I love a bold red lip, but I feel like this is just a great balance if you're someone that likes to be balanced in this way. Now for my base, I didn't put like any blush, any highlighter. So again, we're just trying to focus on the eyes here. But I mean, the amount of highlighter or blush you put on will also elevate this to a more full coverage look. And we can definitely do that in another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and found this to be helpful. And I'll see you next time.